Bitcoins are bought and sold through exchanges called Bitcoin exchanges. They are done anonymously, where the buyer can purchase merchandise or even book hotels using a virtual wallet ID. There are no credit card fees, and international payments are easy and cheap because Bitcoins are not tied to any country or subject to regulations. The user has a Bitcoin wallet, which is cloud-based, online, obviously, and they must use the computer for their wallet. This is like a virtual bank account, which allows users to send or receive Bitcoins. Transfers are done through the app on a computer, and that transaction is recorded in a public log, but the names of the buyers and sellers are never revealed, only their wallet IDs.